What is up, designers? Welcome to this video, and today I wanted to do something different. Finally, I've reached 1000 subscriber mark, and it's all thanks to you guys. So I wanted to do a little giveaway, and I'm giving away a free pack of 100 amazing gradients. These are gradients I've used in several different projects for quite a while now, and I wanted to share them with you guys, and as a token of my appreciation for sticking with me and making me reach this milestone. So yeah, you can use them for a variety of different things. For instance, I've used them to create mockups. They're really good for screen mockups as well. You can use them for creating all sorts of thumbnails. You just swap the background image and you have a variety of colors here. So as I said, it comes with 100 files. They're all in JPEG, and just download them, then use them however you want. And they're all quite beautiful. So yeah, thank you again so much for doing this, and there's a lot more to come. So keep being productive, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.